There is a very interesting case study related to number of facilities and total cost. So here you can see we have plotted number of facilities in the x-axis and total cost in the y-axis. So if we increase the number of facilities, then the cost of transportation will decrease. So here you can see the graph. This is for the number of facilities. So as we are increasing the number of facilities, the cost of transportation are getting decreased. Similarly, if we increase the number of facilities, then the cost of inventory will also increase. Okay. So, and as a basic sense, if you increase the number of facilities, then definitely the capex cost will also increase. That is, the fixed cost will also increase. So as a result of that, what will happen? If we increase the number of facilities, then total costs will also increase. So when we are saying the total cost, that means both the capex cost and the operational costs. Okay. So basically, when we are trying to find out any optimal solution, we are targeting this area. Okay. So this area is our optimal solution. The source of this graph is from SCM book written by Sunil Chopra. So you can follow that book to get some more insights. Thanks for watching.